Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how we can use VLOOKUP in MS Excel. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let us start. For example, I have here a table having products and its unit price, quantity and total. And if you want to search some items here and want to display your rates as well, for example, I want to see the trousers rate. I can see that its trouser is here and its rate is 50. And for example, if I want to know the rates of bags, you can see here bags, its unit price is 25. For example, I will write here bags and write down here 25. And this way we can easily handle this table. But what if we have a bulk of data, a big table which is difficult to handle? For that thing, if you want to search some rates of any particular item, you don't search, like you have to first find it where it is and what its rates are. So we can, for that thing, for effective search, you can use the VLOOKUPs, and its formula is equal to VLOOKUP, and the particular item you want to search, the value, that's lookup value will be this, and comma, and select the table you want to search that particular item and its particular rate or whatever you want to search. And now we can select it. Now click again comma. For example, we want to see the rates of these particular items and it belongs to column 3, 1, 2 and 3. So write down here 3 and comma. Now we want to see approximate match or exact match. Here we can use exact match. We have to write down the 0, that is exact match. Now close the bracket and enter. Now it automatically shows the rates of bags. Now see the other items rates. We can here write down the, for example, watch and click enter. Now it automatically shows rate of watch is 2500, and this way you can easily see the rates of particular items. Now the second thing, if you want to use the drop down box here, you can use data validation. For that thing you have to go to the data and click here data validation, and here you can select the list, which list you want to show in a drop down box. Here you can select this list and click here OK. Now it will show us here drop down box. Now we can easily click here drop down box and select the particular item you want to know its rate. For example, camera, you can see here now it automatically shows its rates. And one more time, for example, trouser. And this way it can be easily for you to search each item's rates or whatever you want. Either you want rates, quantity or total, you can accordingly use VLOOKUPs to search the items, to search the particular row effectively. Now here we have selected the table using this formula, VLOOKUP formula, but we have selected this table here manually. But we can also name it by particular name, and we don't have to select this table again and again. We just have to enter the name and it will automatically select this particular table. So how we can use it, let us see. First of all, you can select the table and right click on it, and here you can see the define name. Click on it, and now you can write down here the name as per your need. For example, I will write here table 1 and click OK. Now if I use the same formula again, VLOOKUP, and the value here I will select here this cell and now comma, and now table name, which you have already named it table 1. Here you can see now we have choose the table 1 and it automatically selects this area. Now we can write comma and the column here will be 3 and again comma and should be exact match, that is 0, and close bracket and enter. Now this way you can use the name validation for the table, so that you can easily use the selected area in the tables using VLOOKUP. This way we can use VLOOKUP effectively and search the items in the table easily. So I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.